How's it going, everyone? And welcome to another property tour with Pelican Property Management Services. My name is Felix, your local expert for long-term rentals here on the beautiful Gulf Coast. I am the broker owner of Pelican Property Management Services. I'm excited to show you around this fantastic rental located at 1716 North S Street here in Pensacola, Florida. Pan around the street a little bit here. This property on S Street, so it sits at the corner of S and Mallory. It's roughly about 20 minutes to the beach, so very manageable drive. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, and it is pet friendly. So as we enter, so first thing you have here, this door is like a storage unit. It's also where the electrical panel is located. And as you enter into this large living area, kitchen all in one. Has all your basic appliances. The house does have washer dryer hookup. The washer and dryer is not included in the home, but there is hookups. As you walk down this hallway, so all the bedrooms are down this hallway here, and then the bathroom is the first door on your right. The sides here. So first door on your right is the 1 bath. Tub shower combo. And another bedroom here. All the bedrooms are roughly about the same size, so depending on which one you want to make your primary, it's up to you. And then we have final bedroom here. Then we'll go and take a look at the outside of the property. So the property is currently not fenced in, but the owner would be willing to fence it in for a tenant here. The fence would essentially enclose this back area from there, here to there. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. I really hope you enjoy seeing everything that 1716 North S Street here in Pensacola, Florida has to offer. If you have any questions or would like to apply for this home, please feel free to give me a call or text directly at 850-417-3247. And if you're a property owner looking for help managing your rentals here in the Pensacola area, Pelican Property Management Services is here for you. You may also give me a call at 850-417-3247 so we can make managing properties a whole lot easier for you. Alrighty, have an awesome day.